Ito, they are trying hard to make a jokes, pero yung mga, I think yung mga ibang, yung mga ibang supporter, parang gumaganon na lang yung sa jokes. Joke yun. Ganun na lang sila, bis. Sinasakyan na lang nila. If you don't know how to make a jokes, you can sing naman. You can show your talent like that. You can show your talent. Or, what is your talent? Dancing? It's okay to dance, but not so daring. Chantabi, hello. Honey like minim coffee. Yeah, Jeff, hello. ID number 690 John. If you can dance, but not so very daring. That's your talent. You know, you can see Korean girls here, they do dancing. They have a sexy body and do dancing. Eyo. If they do dance, some of supporter, they do drag because they can see the effort. But you know, the mindset of Filipinos here, if Filipina dancing, if they can see the Filipina do dancing here, they judge that, oh, are you a hot liver? I just do dance, that's my talent. So why you are telling me, am I a hot liver? Mako-complain ka na naman yan. My beshi is the best dancer in Bigo. I'm worried about you now. Wow, you need to take a rest now. In a while, because I didn't get 4-star. Hi, Dawan. Hi, Tuldog. Welcome back. Just follow back, okay? Dawan. Ikaw ba to, Dawan? Basketball player ka na ngayon, ah. Nakaka-shoot ka ba? Nakaka-score ka ba? Lady May, Dollar, you know Ava Marie, you can meet my supporter here. They are randoms. You choose the right person that you will tambay. Lady May, hello. Medyo okay na, babe. Pakiss me mo naman ako para mas magaling ako mag-shot. Shot or shoot? Kahit walang il. Bastos. Bastos mo. Don't worry, be. Makapota ka rin, promise. Okay.